Hi everyone! Today I am going to make sweet pumpkin walnut roll. In our family we often cook this roll. It's great for breakfast and tea or coffee breaks. Let's start it. Stir together half cup of pumpkin puree, half cup of sour cream, 1 egg and quarter cup of warm water. Another bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of instant dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of white granulated sugar, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and stir the dry ingredients. By the way, if you are new to my channel, hello there, welcome! Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. After that, add the wet ingredients, stir a little, and add quarter cup of melted unsalted butter. Knead until it forms a kind of sticky dough like this. It's not too wet and it's not too firm. You can also knead the dough in a stand mixture. Cover and let the dough rest for about 1 hour in warm place until doubled in size. Meanwhile, I prepare the filling. We need 1 cup of toasted walnuts and quarter cup of pumpkin seed and sunflower seed mixture. Place it in a food processor and finally chop. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar and teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir well all ingredients. So after 1 hour your dough should look like this. Carefully turn your dough out onto a floured surface. Then roll the dough into a rectangle. Spread 1/4 cup of melted unsalted butter and walnut mixture. Roll up the dough. Divide the dough into 18 small rolls. I will cut with a regular thread and transfer to a baking sheet. Cover and let it rest again for about 30 minutes. Bake in preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. My rolls are ready. Let it cool down. My roll has cooled down, and now I want to show you what's inside of this. They're so delicate, soft, and full of pumpkin and walnut flavor. I recommend to try this recipe, it's really so delicious. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.